If you're working on a Jaguar and you get a new ball joint, but not a full complete ball joint, you got a kit like this with the washers that go over that, and you're trying to take the ball joint top bushing, which is this piece right here. This comes up from the bottom in the steering knuckle in that hole right there, so it comes over from the bottom like that. So you gotta press it or push it down. There's a lip right here on the inside. Just word of advice for anybody that works on these things. 73 Jaguar XKE. You have to see the lip right here on the bottom of this thing. That goes flush in there. And then you have this lip up top that the boot for the ball joint, the grease boot, the spring goes right in that groove right there. So the new one is in the freezer now because we can't get the new one to get in without damaging it. So this is the car. It's on jack stands. We already did the top wishbone bushings. Top is done, and the end link bushings, and what's left is the bottom driver, and then we're gonna do the other side.